NASA goes 16 lightning mapper. It's pretty good. Allow me to vanish. Anyway, there's the lightning situation in the Gulf region as well as the Caribbean. Major lightning in the past, like 4 days. U.S. Doppler radar map is our next value-added service. And the Gulf Coast already getting hit with some heavy rains. There's what's going on in the cloud layer. And we don't see an eye wall forming. Shout out to Chris Martz. We're happy we don't see an eye wall forming, as that would be even worse news. This is bad enough, going to receive a foot of rain in portions of south central Louisiana. And we'll zoom in on that area. Just let it load. I apologize for the delay. There we go. It looks like it's suddenly lurching to the west there at the end. And this, not that, all of this dry air is going to help to force this to go due north. And it's probably going to stagnate. That's why it's going to rain so much. By the way, thanks to our patrons, a true source of funding for the content. Please consider becoming a patron, as the Smash News Network needs lots more funding to accomplish our goals in the year 2020. 2021 is going to be an amazing year, by the way. It's patreon.com/smashamash. If you decide to become a patron, please do so at the $3 or higher level, as we'll be changing around our tiers as part of our end of the year maneuvers. Thanks again to our patrons. Patreon.com/smashamash for the earliest and most media-filled stuff. If you want to find all of our social media, head to smashamash.com. There are all the sites. Give us a ring on the smAsho VoIP line, or send us a text if you have a tip or something you'd like us to cover. You can link to the forum there, as well as the Smash stores and the affiliate. Today we're getting some vitamin C. By the way, the Amazon shipping is fantastic. And if you have Prime, there are a lot of deals here. And smashamash.com/affiliate, all kinds of stuff on there. Today we'll be receiving our featured product, Vitamin C by Nature's Bounty. Make sure you get your vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, etc. You can find all that stuff at smashamash.com/affiliate. Making a series of convenient links for you, whether you want PPE, a pulse oximeter, electronics, or maybe one of these UV wands because you're so scared and spooked that the COVID's going to come get you. You could just be like, hey there now, don't be... And then you'll just, yeah, it's Amazon. It's Amazon at Amazon. And again, you can link to all of that stuff at smashamash.com. Today's featured shirt is I've survived a global pandemic so far. It's the one I'm wearing. And you may not be able to see it all that well. Let me just shine a light. There you go. I survived a global pandemic so far in gold. Because it's gold, baby. And hey, thanks to the Smash team. Please don't forget to share the content on your social media. Allow me to vanish. Thank you for flying American Smashways, and remind you to keep your head and arms inside the Smash plane at all times. Don't be a daredevil just like your old man, and stick your head out and say, everybody, look at me, you'll be decapitated. So we got these 3 little active regions here in the south. I think it's very cute. We could have multiple sunspots here. But this area here, while we did show prep, as our patrons could tell you, had ombre. So let's see if they still do. We'll hit refresh. And I think I still see ombre there. What say you? That looks like a North Pole, and that looks like a South Pole, although they're less defined than just a half an hour ago when we did show prep. In any case, here's a 48-hour SDO video in 94 angstroms, complete with a calibration maneuver to make sure that it's pointing directly at the center of the solar disk. And those little active regions there in the south could yield a sunspot, could not. If I had to guess, I'd say it's probably going to evaporate and not get named. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, stare at the sun, don't drink it. If you do, don't drive. And since it'll never be now again, may that solar wind be at your back.